Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm Kristen, and today we're doing some Dollar Tree gingerbread DIYs. This first one, I'm just using this gingerbread plate, which is from Dollar Tree, along with this bowl. They were $1.25 each, so this only cost $2.50 to make. Now, to add this bowl to the plate, I'm just using a ton of hot glue along with some E6000. The E6000 will make it last longer, and the hot glue will just give it a good hold right now. So I'm just using a ton of this and then just putting the bowl upside down on the bottom of the plate just to make a super cute tray. Now, I know this has been done probably a million times, but I just think that these are so cute. So you get cookies to this or just use it as a decor piece. I'm just using one of these houses from Dollar Tree as well, and I just flipped it over so it does have that faux shiplap on the other side. And I'm just going to go ahead and paint this. This is the Crimson color by Waverly, and I think this is the only red paint that I use throughout the Christmas season. I did end up adding some gingerbread vinyl to the bottom of this. This is kind of one of those lost DIY projects, so I don't know if you guys have any of those laying around, but you kind of start a project and walk away from it and then come back a couple weeks later. Well, this one was it. I went ahead and added some puffy paint. I started to run out, so I did end up having to go buy more. It is a few dollars at Walmart. I want to say $4 for the larger piece, or for the larger puffy paint at Walmart. And then I'm just going to go ahead and add some of these sprinkles. These ones were actually from Hobby Lobby. I think they were $2 to $2.50 for a bag, and they're actually called beads at Hobby Lobby, but they are in like the crafter area with like the stickers and scrapbook paper right now. So I just thought these were super cute. And then I went ahead and added these smaller gingerbread houses. These are also from Hobby Lobby. These ornaments for the last year. I think I grabbed them after Christmas season. These are from Dollar General, and I went ahead and painted them brown. This is the truffle color by Waverly, and of course the crimson once again. And then I'm just using some of this puff paint. This one was actually from Dollar Tree last year, and I want to say they still have these every now and then. I'm not sure. It's been a minute since I've been to my Dollar Tree, but I do know that last time I was there, they still had some colors. And then I'm just going to add some puffy paint to this one. I feel like a gingerbread video is not 100% finished unless I use a ton of this puffy paint. I know this is going to be one of my last gingerbread videos that I do for the season. I have done so many, but I just absolutely love gingerbread and decorating for them. My faux sprinkles, these ones came from Amazon, and I will link them down below for you guys. So for this one, I am just going to go ahead and add a little vinyl decal, and this is just off of Cricut. I usually just type in gingerbread and just see what image pops up and which one I like the best, and then I just measure my surface and then just go ahead and add this. This vinyl decal also came from Cricut's Design Space, and this one I think was supposed to be for some sort of mug, and I just kind of sized it down and just added a bunch of gingerbreads to look like this was a jar full of gingerbread men. DIY, I'm just going to be using some brown acrylic paint. I think this is the nutmeg brown color, and two different sizes of these foam balls from Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to go ahead and paint these brown because we're going to make some faux cake pops I was gonna say cake balls. It's definitely not what it is. Cake pops that look like gingerbread, like a gingerbread theme. So I thought this was fun because, like I said, obviously it's a gingerbread video, but like I just love anything gingerbread, and I didn't have any of these laying around. So I figured that I need some gingerbread cake pops. Just adding a ton of that puff paint. Now these did take a minute to paint just because the paint was soaking right in, and you just need to use a lot of paint, and it will go a lot quicker than you actually would think. But I'm just adding that puff paint to this, and then I'm just going to be adding a ton of sprinkles to the top. I love these little gingerbread themed sprinkles, and like I said, these are from Amazon, and I will link them down below if I can find them. Specifically, I bought them separately, but I do see that they come with a lot of other sprinkles, and it's probably a better deal. I don't know. I'll just link the best deal down if you guys want to check them out. I had these on skewer sticks to start with, and then I was like, you know what, these need a cake pop stick. So I found these treat sticks at Walmart and just added them to the foam balls along with some of these gingham bows, which are from Amazon. These galvanized mason jars are nothing new, but I did grab them from Dollar Tree pretty recently, and they were only 50 cents a piece at my Dollar Tree. So I don't know if they are everywhere, but for 50 cents, I thought that was such a steal. So I did end up grabbing 2 of them. This one I'm going to go ahead and paint with that crimson color by Waverly, and then I'm going to use the hazelnut color by Waverly as well. I think the hazelnut color is the best color for gingerbread in my opinion, but I have used other colors when I do run out of this. And of course, we have to add the puffy paint. Like I said, the puffy paint is going to be going away very soon, so I just had to get it all out of my system. And you can make these drips however you like. I always pound my surface on the bottom just to give it that fun little drip. Of course, we cannot forget to add the sprinkles. I'll be adding some faux marshmallows. Now, I've used these for other projects, and these are ones that I have made and I just did not use them. And I'm also using this candy cane that came from Amazon. But the faux marshmallows, I found them in the kids section, or like the foam ball section area. I don't even know what it's called, from Hobby Lobby a couple years ago, and it came with like 200. So I will never run out of these fake marshmallows. And then I'm adding sprinkles to the other one, and you can embellish these however you'd like. I'm using this little gingerbread ornament, which came from Hobby Lobby. I found this really cute ornament. This is $1.25. Now, I have a Dollar Tree that is attached to a Family Dollar, so I don't know if this is Dollar Tree ornament or Family Dollar ornament. I want to say it's probably Family Dollar, but I just added that to one of the mason jars, and then I just cut this decal out with my Cricut, this Christmas blend hot cocoa. I just thought this one was super cute, so I wanted to make some fun, different themes, but I always feel like hot cocoa always goes good with the gingerbread theme. Guys, that is it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, I would love you to stick around and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.